Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 6 video lessons. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and you are enjoying your learning. Now, today we are going to deal with unit number 2, someone who understands. And we have covered other SLOs of other competencies. Now it's time to cover the competency of writing. This will be our lecture number 6C, and the topic is consonants blends. We are going to talk about consonants and how we can identify and write consonant blends effectively. Now, let's move forward by reading our students' learning outcome for this SLO. The SLO is spell and write accurately using knowledge of phonic elements of words. Now, let's do a quick breakdown of our students' learning outcome. We are supposed to spell and write accurately with the knowledge of phonic elements. We are going to talk about phonetics, phoneme, the phonic sounds, the small units, the different sounds that differentiate one from the other, and this we call phonic elements, and we are going to see how they are used in words. Now, here is a vertical linkage of our students' learning outcome with the previous grade. You have gone through it. Now, let's do a quick brainstorming session. Here we have a question: what's a consonant and can you pronounce some of them? So, you know that in English there are two different kinds of sounds, consonants and vowels. So, do you know about consonants? Can you name all of the consonants? Now, let's move forward. Let's talk about consonants. First, let's read the definition of a consonant. A consonant is a letter that is not a vowel. Consonants are all the letters in the alphabet except for A, E, I, O and U. So every other letter, every other sound except A, E, I, O and U are called consonants. So in English alphabets, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z, all these are the consonants in English sound. Now, let's talk further about consonant blends. How do we blend consonants? How we can read them and write them correctly? Now, a consonant blend is when two or more consonants are combined and you can hear each sound. So, we know that the consonants are every other letter than A, E, I, O and U, and consonants like the consonant sounds like P, K and D, all these sounds are consonants. Now, when we read words like black or blend, we see that two consonants are together at once. Now, this is what we call a consonant blend, because two consonants or more than two consonants are blending, they are together, and we have to say them with their sound, separating each sound. Now, let's look at some examples. Let's take the word black. You know that B and L, both these words are consonants, hence we say the word black. We pronounce both these consonants in the pronunciation. Similarly, in the word train, both these are consonants. This is a consonant blend and we pronounce each sound in the word train. In clap, street, green, you can see that at the start two consonants are they are together and they are giving two sounds individually. Now, this is what we call are consonant blends. Now let's see how many consonant blends in English we have. BL, CL, FL, all these blends are mostly found in English language words. You can read the words that are given below and you will pronounce each of these consonants. For example, the word each, black, blanket, blow, blood, we can clearly see that we are pronouncing the B and L sound and we are saying each sound separately. These are all the consonant blends. You have to you can note them down, you have to memorize them, and now after memorizing it, you will know that you cannot go wrong with the spellings. Now, after learning about the consonant and the consonant blend with different examples, here we have a simulation video for your better understanding. You can watch it later or whenever you are free after watching this video lesson. For your classroom activity, we have a page 18 from your book. You have to spell the words with the given consonant blends in your notebooks. Words should be multi-syllable. Example, the word blend, all these are blends, GR, FL, STR, SPL. You can look at all the words that we made using these consonant blends. Now you have to write and spell the words with the given consonant blends in your notebook, and words should be multi-syllable words. It should have more than one syllable. Here is your worksheet to solve. It will be handed over to you by your teacher. Now let's talk about the homework. For homework, you have to pick a random passage and find out any 10 consonant blends from it. Make more words with them. Now that we know about consonants and consonant blends, we can easily identify them, we can pronounce them correctly. Now you have to read a passage and find 10 consonant blends and make other words from them. Now we are here at the end of our video lesson. We are here with some resources for your better understanding and your practice. They are available easily. They are found in the description of the video. We have skill sheet, worksheet, question bank, and a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have great time learning about consonants, the consonant sounds, how many consonants are there in English, and also the consonant blends to make and identify different words in English. We also saw some templates of English consonant blends. You can memorize them, you can note them down, and then you can make more words using those consonant blends. Till the next video lesson, Allah Hafiz.